Brothers, a fresh new Gmail ID feels great to make, doesn't it? It is like opening a brand new notebook for your digital life, but many people get stuck or confused halfway. In this PC error detective video, I will show you everything in a simple way. No extra talk here. I am jumping right into the main work so you do not waste time. This one Gmail ID is essential for everything in the digital world. You need it for everything from the Play Store to your school or office. I had a lot of trouble when I made my first ID. I want to make sure you do not face those same issues. Watch until the end so you can make your ID like a boss. Google looks different now, so the interface might seem new. Let's start. Type mail.google.com in your browser address bar. The site might take a few seconds to load depending on your internet. Stay patient. We must wait for the loading bar to finish. Tada! The page is here. In the next step, we will see how to start the registration for our new ID. It is easy once you understand it. Look at the bottom left corner. You will see a small blue button that says Create Account. That is what I am looking for. If you are already logged into another ID, the screen will look different. Click your profile icon at the top right. Find the Add Another Account option. Then click Create Account again. Our journey to make a new account starts here. Let's move through the steps. 3 options appear when you click Create Account. Pick for my personal use for your regular work. You can pick other options for a business or a child. I am showing the personal use option here. It is the safest choice for regular users like us. This step is important. Picking the wrong thing can cause problems with settings later. Pick carefully. Ask me in the comments if you are confused. Now we need your name. Type your first name and last name in the boxes. You can use your real name or a nickname. Google does not check your ID card now. I suggest using your real name for professional or office work. It makes you look serious. I am typing my channel name as a demo. Click the blue Next button once you finish. It is very simple and hard to get wrong. Enter your birthday and gender here. Pick a birth year that makes you over 18 years old. YouTube and Google have strict rules for kids. Being over 18 gives you all the features without trouble. Select your gender from the menu. Google uses this info only to give you better service. Press Next. Now, we are halfway done with the account. Let's see what is next. The username part is a bit hard, but it is fun. It feels like winning the lottery. It is hard to get a short name now because so many are taken. I will try a name here. Look, Google says someone already has this one. It shows a red warning. Do not worry. Add some numbers or a dot at the end. You won the battle once the red text disappears. This name is your digital identity. Click Next quickly. You need a very strong password now. Weak passwords are easy to hack. Mix big letters, small letters, numbers and symbols to make it safe. Use at least 8 characters. Security is the most important part. Type the same password again in the confirm box. You'll see a QR code pop up on your screen. Just grab your phone, scan that code to quickly verify your number, and then follow the simple steps. Do not skip this. It keeps your account safe for a long time. That is it. Your new Gmail ID is ready to use. You can log in on your phone or computer now. Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel to stay with us. Comment if you see any errors. I or my team will help you fast. My goal is to help you. That is all for today. Stay well, everyone. Allah Hafiz.